Hi guys, I'm Eugene Spencer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Signs by Designs. Hi guys, welcome back to Signs by Designs. Today's project I'm going to be talking about is those pellet plaques that people have been doing. These pallets here I've been finding at our local hardware store. Yeah, to me they're a bit of a pain, but normally what I do is these pallets are screwed on the back of these little crates, so I'll just unscrew those and they come apart like this, and then I'll just cut down some small strips once I get them all spaced out, and yeah, so I'll just join them all together using a smaller strip like this on the back side. But I started doing a different design which makes it a hell of a lot easier, plus it looks just the same, and it's actually one solid piece, so you end up with a piece like this, and I have a hole saw that fits in my router for when you're hanging it on the wall. So yeah, so all I do is I take a piece, it's a solid piece as you can see, and I'll just put 1/4 inch notches spaced out evenly in the piece. So this plaque for a customer is actually 12 inches long by 11 1/4 inches high. So I just took, and she wanted 5 different slots, so I took my 11 1/4 inches, divided it by 5, which equal out to be 2 1/4. So then I measured out my 2 1/4 for each one, and I set my table saw to the center of the 2 1/4, and then I put the depth at 1/4 inch, and then I just cut each one, and it turns out to be actually the exact same thing, better, because you don't have to worry about nailing these strips on the back. So then you come out with a solid piece. Once it's stained, and whatever you guys do with it, we apply vinyl or stencils, it works perfect, and it's a hell of a lot easier, like I said, than trying to cut down all these pellet strips and then having to put additional strips on the back to hold your pellet strips together. That's today's quick little video, guys. I look forward to making more in the future. If you guys have any questions or comments, whatever, leave it down below in the link below, and subscribe for future videos and tips and tricks. Alright guys, have a good one.